Okay, here we have our setup. So our ruler represents our vibrating object making the sound. You can move back and forth. Our marbles represent our medium, so they are our particles. And our marker represents the object receiving the sound. So in these first trials, we're going to vary the frequency or the number of times that this object moves back and forth. Remember, we're trying to figure out what has a greater effect, changing frequency or changing the amplitude. So first we're going to vary the number of times that we move this back and forth, but we are going to keep the amplitude the same. So I'm going to pull it back the same amount each time. I'm going to vary the number of times that it moves back and forth. So in the first trial, it'll represent 1 vibration per second. The next trial will represent 2 vibrations per second. Now I'm not fast enough to actually pull it back twice, but we will have 2 vibrations and see what that results in the movement of the actual marker. Okay, so here we go. 1 vibration per second. 2 vibrations per second. 3 vibrations per second. 4 vibrations per second. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, now we'll try varying the amplitude. So we're going to try pulling this object back more to represent a vibrating object with a bigger amplitude. So first we'll try 1 centimeter, then 2, and then 3, and then 4. One centimeter. Reset. 2 centimeters. Reset. 3 centimeters. Reset. 4 centimeters.